Welcome, dear travelers. Today we're giving you some tips for traveling intelligently. Pack a towel, invest in compact luggage. We'll touch upon managing finances to finding flights. Buckle up for a thrilling journey towards becoming a savvier globetrotter. First tip, master the art of packing. Choose what to put in your bag carefully. Remember, each additional pound is a potential burden. Imagine rushing for a train in Rome, burdened luggage. Not fun, is it? So learn how to pack light. It's about prioritizing. Bring what you need, not what you might desire. Fewer options confer more freedom to roam, to discover, being tied down by unnecessary baggage. Secondly, always aim to pack lightly. This will not only save back from potential damage, but also cut down on extra baggage fees, facilitate security checks, and make navigating busy areas easier. Thirdly, always carry extra socks. Regardless of your destination, the tropics or the poles, additional are crucial. They're lightweight and may prove in a variety of circumstances. Every item you bring with you on your journey is a decision, a balance between need and luxury, freedom and burden. So make your choices wisely. When it comes to for travel, less is indeed more. Fourth, let's focus on where to sleep after a day of exploring. The right lodging can greatly influence your travel experience. With cost efficiency and atmosphere, hostels are a top-notch choice. Gone are days of cramped, badly maintained dorms. Today's hostels cater to varied tastes, offering shared dorms for thrift travelers and private rooms for those craving seclusion. The charm of hostels lies in their shared spaces, fostering interaction among international travelers. Picture this. You return from a day out, step into your hostel's communal kitchen, chat with travelers, and plan a group expedition for the next day. This social aspect is a unique dimension hostels offer, which hotels usually don't. Besides, they're often cheaper than hotels, perfect for budget travelers. So if you're budget-minded or a lone wolf-seeking company, try hostels. L. Travel and money, they go together. Navigating financial matters while trotting the globe can be challenging but manageable. Fifth, always have extra bank and credit cards as a safety net during unexpected situations. Choosing no-fee bank cards is a smart way to dodge foreign transaction costs. Also, crucial to keep local currency, with a part of it secured at your stay location. Conscious tracking of expenditures and setting a day-to-day budget promotes financial responsibility. There are various mobile applications designed precisely for this purpose. Additionally, experiencing lone traveling is a personal journey of exploration and growth. Maps are not just for those who may be directionally impaired, but also serve as a handy tool for all voyagers. Remember these crucial tips and your budget will be thankful. What if I told you that flying cheap is possible? Yes, it's true. Inexpensive air travel is within reach. It's about knowing where to look and how to book. Sixth, the key secret lies in indirect flights. These flights might add some extra hours to your journey, but they can save you a substantial amount. Equally important is being flexible with your travel dates. A minute adjustment in your departure or return date can lead to significant savings. Additionally, price comparison websites and apps can be your best friends. They are your personal airfare watchdogs, always for the best bargain. Finally, embrace the unknown. Seeking out unexplored, unconventional destinations can result in shockingly cheap airfares. Remember, securing affordable flights isn't a matter of luck but strategy. So are you prepared to implement these tricks on your next adventure? Now that you have the inside scoop, start planning. Seventh, ever pondered about solo travel? Let's discuss its merits. It's a chance for personal development, urging reliance on your own abilities and discovering untapped potential. It's not only about being self-reliant, but also achieving self-discovery. Alone, you have the freedom to pursue what interests you most, like visiting a rare museum, spending at a cozy cafe, or hiking at dawn. The choices are limitless, and this freedom can be liberating. You transform from a tourist to a traveler, seeking to understand the heart of a destination. It can be intimidating, even lonely at times, but in these moments, we often gain profound self-insights. So, think about it. Solo travel is than just a journey. It's an adventure that can bring personal fulfillment. And remember, always make a stop at the local tourism office. Eighth, let's delve into exploring new places. Setting foot in an unfamiliar city can sometimes be nerve-wracking, but fear not. We have a game plan to ease your path. Always start your adventure at the local tourism information center. Details and peculiar facts about your destination. They usually provide personalized suggestions suited to your interests and preferences. as well as bonus perks such as exclusive discounts. Consider participating in a local walking tour. These tours are typically guided by native residents who bring a unique perspective to the city's narrative. You'll get to hear captivating tales of the city's past and present, peppered with personal anecdotes, your experience more immersive. Plus, this is a great opportunity to make new friends from around the globe. Moreover, don't shy away from wandering off the typical tourist trail. Take time to explore local markets bustling with life, indulge in exotic street food, and engage in heartwarming interactions with the locals. Such unplanned detours often lead to unforgettable experiences and memories that etch deep in your mind. With these tips and tricks up your sleeve, you'll soon be navigating the city like a local. These unexpected moments often leave the deepest impressions, so step out, embrace the adventure. Here are some transformative travel tips. We've shared insights on packing light, selecting versatile items, and affordable accommodations such as hostels. We've mentioned finance management with practical tips on bank cards and how to score cheap flights. We've touched on the thrill of solo travel and the value of utilizing local tourism information, along with free walking tours. These nuggets of wisdom can uplift your travel experiences, making them enjoyable and enriching. Until our next journey, safe travels. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and leave a comment.